honey buns. Hello YouTube, how are you guys doing today? My name is Aletheadawnx, so if you are new here, hello, welcome. Make sure you are subscribing and make sure you are sticking around because I'm uploading twice a week. I have a vlog on Wednesday and a content niched video every Saturday, so stick around, hit that subscribe button, you know what to do. Anyways, in today's video, I am filming another wildflower case unboxing video. I really enjoyed doing this and it made me also want to film my case collection haul. So if you guys have not seen either two of those videos, I will put them in the iCard and I will also link them down below. I'm just obsessed with phone cases, obsessed. So today I have a new wildflower case for you guys to open, and before I even get into the new case I have, I'm just gonna show you guys really super quick, like speedy quick, all the wildflower cases I already own. Okay, sorry, I was getting a little sweaty, so I had to throw the hair up real quick. I have the Pink Flames case. I have Flower Power, one of my faves. I wear this one a lot. I have the Peace and Love case, which I also love so much because of the color combo. It just gives me super nostalgic, like 2000s vibes. And one of my favorites as well is the Heavenly Hearts case. So those are the wildflower cases that I have currently, and again, go watch my other videos about my phone cases. But to get into the fun part, I'm going to open my new wildflower case, and the one that I actually just purchased is the Matcha Love case. I'm so freaking excited because I have just been ecstatic to get this one. I actually missed the first stock of them and I had to wait for them to get new stock, but I'm gonna open it up. I already kind of peeked in just to make sure all was well and that it was ready for me to open. So I'm just gonna open her up. Ooh, okay, so the only other thing in here is my packing order, and then of course I gotta show you guys the little stickies they gave me. So I have a Flower Power sticker, super freaking cute, and then this other flower pattern. I don't remember what this case was called, but this was like an OG when floral was such a thing. So these are the two stickers I got. Okay, so now for the fun part, I'm going to open the Matcha Love case. And I'm very excited because I have a sage green kind of color on my nails, and I like wanted to get all green, but I got green on one hand because of, you know, I knew this case was coming. I knew I was gonna film this video for you guys. Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead and get into it. I'm gonna keep it like front facing here, but here she is. Here is the Matcha Love case. And of course, I'll show you guys a close-up while I'm talking. My honest first impression is that the green on it was a little darker than what I had been anticipating, but it has 3 to 4 different green colors, so I really love it. It looks so freaking good. I'm gonna take her out. Here she is. Once again, just looks really good, and I'm gonna go ahead and take her to the mirror with my phone with you guys and show you what she looks like. I really honestly love the heart pattern wildflower. The Latte Love that Wildflower also came out with also has this in brown, and that is another one I will absolutely be getting my hands on soon so I can show you guys that. But here is the Matcha Love. She looks super good, and in person, super cute in the mirror. I honestly freaking love it. And yeah, I'm gonna show you guys just a close-up again. Maybe. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this super quick little unboxing of the Matcha Love wildflower case. I get to add her in with her sisters, her family, so freaking cute. And if you guys want to see more of all the cases, wildflower cases that I have, make sure to watch the videos that I link down below. I'm gonna say this in a video just because I haven't said this yet and I've only been putting it in my pinned comment, but I want to do a giveaway for you guys once I reach 1K subscribers because I'm so freaking close. I'm so close. So I don't know if it'll be like a giveaway that has anything to do with wildflower cases. I think I honestly just kind of want to do like a goodie basket kind of giveaway, but if you guys have any ideas of what you would like to see in the giveaway, since you will be the one entering, as long as you subscribe, let me know down below. I would love to know what you guys want to see in that giveaway basket or box, whatever, like whatever little thing I want to put together. If you want it to be a wildflower case or a gift card, Amazon gift cards, whatever, let me know. If you want me to buy you this decor and you want it in your room so we can be twinsies, let me freaking know. I will absolutely do that for you guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, comment on this video. Also follow me on Instagram so you can stay up to date when I'm uploading, just in case I miss a day or I'm adding an extra video for the week. Thank you, honey buns, for watching. I can't wait to take some fun little selfies now with my new matcha love. I will see you Wednesday for Wednesday's vlog.